From March 3rd through 5th, the Hostlers Model Railroad Festival was held at Ogden Union Station. 25th Street bustled with excitement as parents and kids alike hopped aboard the Hostlers Model Railroad Festival for a day of fun, food, and festivities. Inside, elaborate Lego exhibits, paintings, scale models, and food competed for everyone's attention. Guests, young and old, scrambled from table to table, trying to catch glimpses as trains circled picturesque scenes, billowing puffs of smoke in their wake. We asked Chairman Mike Murphy what Hostler's Model Railroad Festival is all about.
The whole thing is a family event. We have something for the young kids and the kids that are our age, my age, and we have that. They come and enjoy the trains. A lot of us come to see what the vendors have to sell.
From Thomas the Train to Rio Grande, locomotives were on full display for enthusiasts of all ages to experience. But for some guests like Margie Marsden, who brought her 2-year-old grandson Jack along, the 1.5-inch scale train outside was the real main attraction.
We loved it. Thought it was great.
Another guest, Jeff Robinson, brought his whole family out for some Saturday afternoon fun. For more info on the Hostlers Train Club, visit their website www.hostlers.info. For the Cat Call, I'm Gina Lumpers.